The next one is using that product rule where we also have negative exponents on there, where we rearranged it. We multiplied our coefficients together, the numbers, and then we added our exponents on our like variables. So if I rearrange that, I would do the 2 times the 7 times the 4. Let's see, 8 times 4 would be 56. And then grouping my variables, I have a v and a v to the negative 1. I have an x to the negative 2 and an x to the negative 4. And I have a u to the 7th and a u to the negative 1. Now on this one, v is v to the first. If I add my exponents, 1 minus 1 is 0. The v's are just going to be canceling each other out, going to be gone. On this one, I have x to the negative 2 and x to the negative 4. If I add that, I get x to the negative 6. On the u's, I have u to the 7th, u to the negative 1. If I add those together, I get u to the 6th. But we know we want to write our answer using only positive exponents. If I have x to the negative 6, I have to do the reciprocal, which basically flips it down to the bottom of my fraction. So when I rewrite that, I'm going to have 56 u to the 6th on top, but the x to the 6th is going to move to the bottom, and that's going to make that exponent positive instead of negative. That look familiar?
Yep.
So on number 17, again, I'm going to rearrange it. I'm going to do 8 times 4 times 2 first. So 8 times 4 times 2 would be 64. On my variables, I have a v to the 6th and a v to the negative 8. I have an x to the negative 5 and a plain x. And I have a y to the negative 4 and a y to the negative 4. So on my v's, if I add my exponents there, I'm going to get v to the negative 2, x to the negative 4, and y to the negative 8. If I rewrite that without negative exponents, my answer is going to be the rest on the bottom. V to the 2nd, x to the 4th, and y to the 8th, exactly. All right, go ahead and do number 18. Should put a little more space on that one. I can fix that. Let's see. And I ended up with 84 x to the 4th over u to the 5th. That's what you got? Good.